Hi, I'm Libby,
Hi, I'm Orla.
and we're here to talk about GCSE physics.
Hi, I'm Samuel.
Hi, I'm Isabella.
We're here to talk about A-level physics.
Hi, I'm Francesca.
And I'm Kian.
We are going to talk about the physics IB.
We are lucky in physics as we are able to bring lessons to life with fun and engaging experiments which support the curriculum. In lower grammar, all pupils follow a bespoke course which focuses on developing the skills needed to succeed in physics. In higher line, pupils can choose either A-level physics or IB.
In GCSE physics, the thing I enjoy the most about it are the practicals, especially the ones that we do now when we're studying electricity, because they're very engaging and they give you a physical representation of what you're learning.
I enjoy the practical side of physics the most because I think they really help me to develop my understanding of the subject.
Physics at Stonyhurst is a very interactive subject and is taught in a format that boosted my interest year after year.
As a science, practical work forms a key part of the physics courses. We are fortunate enough to have exceptional resources and equipment, as well as the support of a designated physics technician. Practicals are a fun and engaging way of presenting material, but also provide real-world context for the theory we cover.
Studying A-level physics at Stonyhurst enables me to learn about the universe through models and theories. We look at the building blocks of nature and how they interact to create the world we live in.
I'm really enjoying the atmosphere in A-level physics lessons. Everyone, both the students and the teachers, are really passionate about the subject, which I think leads to a very open forum for both learning the coursework and also just development as physicists.
Alongside this, it helps students with the experimental skills needed to study physics at university level, as well as developing problem-solving skills useful in a wide range of university courses and careers. Classes are kept small, with around 20 students in a GCSE class, and higher line classes normally having 10 or fewer students. This allows the teachers to really get to know the students and tailor support to their individual needs.
Our fantastic teachers help and support you all the way through the course to empower you to be the best that you can be.
The school offers a clinic once every week at the end of the day where you can meet up with your physics teacher and ask them any questions if you haven't understood a topic or need help with any physics homework.
We are learning many transferable skills, analysing problems and problem solving in a resilient way, collaborating with our peers as teammates to think freely about the modelling and solutions we arrive at. We are learning how to communicate ideas and concepts in a safe and supportive environment.
What I love about physics is that you learn about how the world around you functions that you normally perhaps wouldn't understand.
The physics department has 3 teaching laboratories, as well as a dedicated project lab used purely for practical work. We have excellent practical equipment and state-of-the-art data logging equipment.
One of the fun parts about physics is that we are able to do experiments. We were able to make a drone and we were also able to fly it.
Something that I've really been enjoying that we did fairly recently is the use of the Van de Graaff generator. This kind of demonstration really helps bring to life the theoretical concepts, root physics within the real world.
Physics is a very logical and organized subject. It relies on its equations and often uses data and numbers. It can also be very helpful to look at and memorize the different equations for physics, as one can often lead to another and sometimes multiple equations are needed to answer a question.
We try and provide clubs that will cater for all levels of ability. There is a drone racing club, which also includes skills such as soldering and fixing circuits. We also have more academically focused clubs, such as the Astronomy Society and the Physics Olympiad, where top students from syntax, poetry and rhetoric put their physics and problem-solving skills to the test against other students from across the country.
I think physics really helps me with other subjects like maths and biology, which is one of the main reasons why I chose physics for my GCSE course.
I often see a connection between physics and chemistry. Physics goes very in-depth in some of the topics that we look at in chemistry, and I find it very fascinating when physics and chemistry combine.
Taking physics will hopefully allow me to become an engineer, but physics isn't just for engineering. It is a very useful subject which will give you the opportunity to venture into many different careers.
Physics is known to be one of the most respected A-level and IB subjects, and so looks good on any application. There are some obvious routes, such as degrees and careers in physics and engineering, but the skills learnt are applicable to a far wider range of subjects, ranging from architecture to banking and finance.
Studying physics will open a variety of careers that I can do in the future, such as working to tackle global warming and climate change at the UN.
In the future, I want to be a veterinary surgeon, so physics is a critical part of my journey towards that goal.
I would ideally like to go to study at either MIT or Caltech in the States.
I would like to work at NASA and be a rocket engineer.
After school, I want to go back to Germany and study physics, and I would love to visit space and see Earth from space.
Ultimately, I would like to use my skills to join the fight against climate change.
My goals are very similar, but primarily focused on nuclear fusion as a form of clean energy.